What is a Solidity developer's salary? A. $130,000 to $290,000. B. $100,000 to $200,000. C. $1,200,000 to $3,000. D. $300,000 to $100,000. What is Ethereum's main purpose? A. Being a platform for smart contracts. B. Supporting digital currencies. C. Executing code for decentralized applications. D. Offering a platform for smart contracts. What is Ethereum's main purpose? A. Being a platform for smart contracts. B. Supporting digital currencies. C. Executing code for decentralized applications. D. Offering a platform for smart contracts. What can Solidity contracts use as memory? A. Maximum of 256 bytes. B. A uint32 array of any size. C. Fixed size. D. Any size. What's an example of call data? A. Memory location that sits in the memory of the EVM. B. Data that is used to calculate the results of a contract. C. The result of executing a contract. D. A table of data stored in the blockchain. How big is the default size of a storage array in Solidity? A. 8,192 bytes. B. 64 kilobytes. C. 32,768 bytes. D. 2,256 bytes. What is a programming language that Solidity is similar to? A. JavaScript. B. Ruby. C. Python. D. C++. What can Solidity contracts use as memory? A. Maximum of 256 bytes. B. A uint32 array of any size. C. Fixed size. D. Any size. What are state variables in Solidity stored in? A. Names. B. Memory addresses. C. Slots. D. Numbers. What are dApps similar to? A. Ordinary apps. B. Contracts. C. Web apps. D. Desktop apps. What does the reducing length property do? A. Keep only the first n elements. B. Delete elements from the array. C. Keep all elements in the array. D. Keep the elements in the array but reduce their length. Do I need a certification to become a Solidity developer? A. Yes. B. No. Which programming language were used to create smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain? A. Solidity. B. Java. C. Python. D. Ruby. What does a developer of Solidity do? A. Developing and deploying smart contracts. B. Auditing smart contracts. C. Communicating with users to translate business goals into technical requirements. D. All of the above. What does the reducing length property do? A. Keep only the first n elements. B. Delete elements from the array. C. Keep all elements in the array. D. Keep the elements in the array but reduce their length. What is Solidity? A. Solidity is a machine-level programming language. B. Solidity is an NFT programming language. C. Solidity is a high-level smart contract programming language. Which technologies can you find in blockchain technology? A. Asymmetric cryptography. B. Peer-to-peer networking. C. Cryptographic hashing. D. All of the above. What are the types of functions you can find in Solidity? A. Public and private. B. Internal and external. C. Function and contract. D. None of the above. What can you find in Solidity arrays? A. Ones and zeros. B. Numbers. C. Elements. D. Strings. Which type of testing is recommended for Solidity developers? A. System testing. B. Unit testing. C. Integration testing. D. None of the above. How does Solidity enable deleting elements from arrays? A. Clear function. B. Updating function. C. Deleting an element with the index. D. Reduction of length. Which of the following is not an Ethereum testnet? A. Safaricom. B. Coven. C. Rinkeby. D. Robson. Which of the following is not an Ethereum testnet? A. Safaricom. B. Coven. C. Rinkeby. D. Robson. Which virtual machine helps in compiling Solidity code to bytecode? A. G++. B. EVM. C. JVM. D. GCC. Which among the following statements are as true with respect to Solidity? S1. Solidity is compiled to bytecode. S2. A single Solidity file has several smart contracts. A. S1 only. B. S2 only. C. Both S1 and S2. What are the common data types in Solidity? A. Uint. B. Strings. C. Address. D. All of the above. What does the Solidity compiler create during smart contract processing? A. Application binary interface. B. Bytecode. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. What is the name of the Ethereum app development environment? A. Blimp. B. Geth. C. Ethereum Studio. D. Hardhat. Which of the following is not a primitive data type in Solidity? A. Uint 256. B. String. C. Address. D. Enum. What is the primary difference between constants and immutables in Solidity? A. Constants can be modified after contract deployment. B. Immutables can be modified after contract deployment. C. Constants are assigned values during contract deployment. Which keyword is used to read the value of a state variable in Solidity? A. Read. B. This. C. View. D. Get. What is the purpose of gas in Ethereum and Solidity? A. Gas determines the price of Ether. B. Gas is used to fuel transactions and contract execution. C. Gas is a special data type in Solidity. D. Gas controls the total supply of Ether. In Solidity, which keyword is used for conditional branching? A. Check. B. If. C. Condition. What is a mapping in Solidity? A. A way to store multiple values in a single variable. B. A data structure for iterating over collections of data. C. A special kind of function. D. A way to associate keys with values. Which of the following best describes an enum in Solidity? A. An enum is a data type used to represent decimal numbers. B. An enum is a data type used to define a set of named constant values. C. An enum is a special kind of function. D. An enum is used to specify gas prices in a contract. Which data location is used for function arguments in Solidity? A. Storage. B. Memory. C. Call data. What is the primary purpose of a function modifier in Solidity? A. To change the data location of variables. B. To define a new data type. C. To modify the behavior of a function. D. To create a new contract. What is the main use of events in Solidity? A. To create new contracts. B. To modify the state of a contract. C. To trigger off-chain actions and log important contract events. D. To optimize gas consumption. What does the term Ethereum refer to? A. Ethereum protocol. B. The Ethereum network was created using protocols. C. Ethereum project funding development. D. All of the above. Ethereum is A. Open source supply chain networks. B. Open source blockchain networks. C. Licensed version. D. Open source World Wide Web networks. Which data structure is used to record the canonical order of transactions and then hashed into a fingerprint? A. Red-black trees. B. AVL trees. C. Hash tree. D. Merkle trees. Which type of language is Solidity? A. Procedure-oriented language. B. Object-oriented language. C. Scripting language. D. Low-level language. Which among the following statements is true? S1. Smart contract can interact with other smart contracts. S2. Smart contract can call an API on the web. A. S1 only. B. S2 only. C. Both S1 and S2. Do you know any solutions for scalability in Ethereum? A. Two-layer protocols. Possible solutions are state channels and plasma. B. Three-layer protocols. Possible solutions are state channels and plasma. C. Four-layer protocols. Possible solutions are state channels and plasma. The only function of Web3.eth.send transaction is to send ethers to a specific address. Is that correct? A. Yes, you can also invoke contract methods. B. No, you can also invoke contract methods. C. Both A and B. What do I have to specify when calling .send? A. You must specify from which is the sender address. Everything else is optional. B. You must specify to which is the sender address. Everything else is optional. What is the bytecode used for? A. The EVM on each node requires bytecode to execute the contract code. B. The EVM on each code requires bytecode in order to execute the contract node. What do you need to interact with a contract from a dApp? A. The contract's ABI and bytecode. B. The contract's AIB and bytecode. What does the front end use to connect to the back end, smart contracts? A. Web3 API libraries. B. Web2 API libraries. C. Web 2.0 API libraries. Function foo uses block. Number. Which of the following is R? Always true about foo? A. It should be marked as pure. B. It should be marked as a view. C. It should be marked as payable. D. Cannot determine mutability based only on this information. The impact of data allocation of reference types on assignments are: A. Storage assigned to storage, local variable, makes a copy. B. Memory assigned to memory makes a copy. C. Memory assigned to storage creates a reference. D. None of the above. The gas left in the current transaction can be obtained with A. tx.gas. B. Gas left. C. Message gas. D. Block.gas limit.